Okay, question 11. We've got a regular pentagon. Calculate the size in degrees of an interior angle of the pentagon. Right, okay, so what we need to do is n minus 2 times 180, n being the number of sides, so 3 times 180 is 540 degrees, so total, all 5 angles is 540, so we need to do 540 divided by 5, which is 108 degrees. So each angle is 108 degrees. Okay. The point F lies inside the pentagon such that CDF is 70. Let's label the diagram. FEA is 85. Calculate the size in degrees of the reflex angle DFE. Well, the reflex actually is that bit, but I'm going to work out that bit first, the inside, the obtuse angle, because I know this angle here is basically 108 take away 70, so that's 38. That angle there is 108 take away 85, so it's 23. So I can do 180 take away 38 plus 23. Let's do it in 61. They add up together to give 61. So actually that inside angle there is 119. So DFE, the reflex part, is basically 360 minus 119, which is going to be 241 degrees. Okay, so 241 degrees. Worked out that one, so I could work that one out, but I needed the reflex. Okay. Question 12. There are 32 students in the class. All the students are either left-handed or right-handed. That's no surprise, is it? The ratio of the number of left-handed students to the number of right-handed students is 1 to 7. Work out the number of right-handed students. Well, they add up together to give 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. We need 7 lots of 4, so actually 28 students are right-handed. Now, Sajid makes a scale model of a bus. He uses a scale of 1 to 32. The length of Sajid's scale model is 45 centimetres. Then we've got another bus with a scale of 1 to 48, and we need to work out the length of the model. So, bus length to start with. Because we know the original scale is 1 to 32, if we do 32 times 45, we will get the complete length of the bus in real life. So 2 times 5, 15. I'll just work through this. That gives me 8, 12. So the total length of the bus is 14 meters and 40. But now what I need to do, I need to put it back into the scale. So I need to do, don't give us much room here, have they? Divided by 48. Okay, well, I don't know the 48 times table, so let's write it out. We've got 48, 96, 144. Right, okay, so 48 goes into 144 3 times, and my 0. So actually, the model bus is 30 centimetres long. So I basically used the first scale to work out the full-size bus, and then I've divided by the 48 to get it back into the new scale. Okay, 30. Question 13. Right, so bank pays compound interest of 1% per annum Ivan invests 7,500 for 2 years. Calculate the total interest. So 1 year, and I'm going to do 1 year at a time because we haven't got a calculator. So 1% of 77,500 is £75. So in year 1, it's got 7,575 in the account. The second year, we need to add on 1% of this. So we've got the original amount plus 1%. I'm just going to add it all underneath, column method. $7,650.75, but the question asks for the interest, so it's 150.75. Okay, for the 2 years, because that's how much more money we got in the bank account. Okay, next question. Question 14. So, we've got the first 3 terms of a different Fibonacci sequence. A, B, A plus B. Show that the 6th term of the sequence is 3A plus 5B. Well, a Fibonacci sequence is basically the 2 previous terms added together. So you can see the 3rd term is those 2 added. So the 4th term is basically going to be the 2nd and the 3rd added. So that's A plus 2B. Added that to that. Now the 5th will be the 3rd and the 4th added together. So I've got an A and an A. I've got 2 A's, a B and a 2B, 3B. Then the 6th is basically these added together. So I've got A and 2A, 3A, and you get the idea, 5B. Now, we've shown where we got that from. Given that the 3rd term is 7 and the 6th term is 29, find the value of A and B. Right, okay, so the 3rd term is A plus B, and that equals 7. And then the 6th term is 29. Right, and we've got pair of simultaneous equations. I am going to times this one by 5, then I can eliminate the b's. Okay, I'm going to take them away. So 5a take away 3a, it's 2a. 35 take away 29 is 6. So a is 3, and once I know a is 3, quite easy to put back here. B is 4, and I've solved it by using simultaneous equations.